KQ is back to Panalay. Kampi niya dito si Mark Pingriz at Poypoy Yaktub. Kalaban nila ang teammate din nila sa Binyan na may import at si Jimboy Estrada ng Letran. Lumipad na naman si Poypoy, pinanes ang import ng kalaban. Pinoy Sakuragi pinatikim ng masahe ang import na si Alugay. Hindi pumayag ang import na si Alugay, dinakdakan sila KQ. Poypoy at KQ nagtulungan sa fourth quarter para i-secure ang panalo ng team. Prince Kim Moya nag-Showtime 360 layup. Nagkagulo ang crowd nang pumasok ang technical free throw. Panoorin natin ang highlights ng laban. I-like and share mo lang ang ating video and mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube.
Here we go! Basket is good by Bajarito. And here goes. Basket is 9. Ang kanilang import ng Cash Prince. And that's gonna be a foul. Oh, I mean, sorry, that's a block. It's gonna be a block. Jimboy Estrada. Poypoy Yaktub. Pinagaling ulit. Christian Pajarito. Oh, good. Kevin Kiba. Second quarter. Basket is good. Aaron Estacio. Basket is good. Three by Kevin Cambao. Nakuha ni Aaron Estacio. Aligay. Oy, nice basket by Aligay. Gets the ball for KQ, but no good. Pinasa niya KQ. Pinalik kay KQ ang bola. By Aaron Estacio, but Aligay slam dunk. Raimundo now with the ball, tries to go in, but pero pinasa niya. Christian Pajarito, no good on the 3-point attempt. Poypoy Yaktub, basket is good. There we go, basket gets in. There we go, 3. Mark Pingriz. So rebounded by Joseph Peña-Redondo. There by Jimboy Estrada, but now goes to Mark Pingriz. But 3-point attempt by Joseph Peña-Redondo. What's happening? Okay. Kung nagderya. Sabi ni JB Kirsty, yun o, solid. Good for Jomel Andaya, but gets rebounded by Max Sevilla. Pajarito, basket down with 77. Basket is good. Moya. Christian Fajardo, 2 points across the globe. Now here we go with number 10. Popoy Yaqtub, 2 points. No good. Naghahanap siya papasahan. Binigay kay Kevin Cambao. Basket is good. Kevin Malyari now. Oy! Popoy Yaqtub, 8. Now Aaron Estacio has the ball. Basket is good. Now Mark Pingris again with the ball. That's gonna be 10 to shoot. Mark Pingris. Nice rebound by Prince Moya. Prince Moya attempts the 3. No good. Another one for Prince Moya. Drives it in. No good on the attempt there. Grabe, pagkakapasok agad lahat sila dito.